Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to master the art of crunches? Today, we're diving into the fundamental exercise, crunches. But are you doing them correctly? That's the question we're answering today. Before we begin, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this crunching journey together. 1. Crunch conundrum: understanding the basics. Let's start by demystifying the crunch conundrum. What exactly are crunches and why are they important? We'll break down the basics, discussing the targeted muscles, posture, and the benefits these simple yet effective exercises offer. 2. Form fundamentals: proper technique for maximum results. Proper form is key. We'll delve into the form fundamentals, guiding beginners through the correct posture, head and neck positioning, and the importance of engaging the core muscles for an effective crunch without straining. 3. Breathing technique: inhale, exhale, crunch. Ever wondered about the right breathing technique during crunches? We'll explore the proper breathing pattern, ensuring you sync your breath with each movement to enhance your performance and prevent unnecessary strain. 4. Common mistakes: avoiding pitfalls for a safe workout. Let's address common mistakes. We'll highlight typical errors beginners make during crunches and guide you on how to avoid them, ensuring a safe and effective workout routine. 5. Gradual progression: building strength and endurance. Starting slow is the key to success. We'll discuss a gradual progression plan, offering variations and tips for beginners to gradually build strength and endurance while mastering the art of crunches. Conclusion. And there you have it, the complete guide to mastering crunches for beginners. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more workout tips. Now, let's get those crunches right and build those strong cores. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have your own experiences or questions about crunches, drop them in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it and stay tuned for our next fitness adventure. If you would like to learn why you should do 10 lunges every day, then watch the video on the screen now. See you soon.